Hello, Mường Company. Asking, how can I help you?
Hi, I am calling to make an appointment with the manager today.
I'm sorry, the manager is in a meeting right now. Would you like to leave a message?
Certainly, my name is Alex. I want to recruit the new project.
Of course. Alex, can I have your phone number to confirm?
It is 01434678.
Thank you. I have it. My email is nguyetmanjang1303@gmail.com if you need to send any field.
Great. For the help that
You're welcome. Have a nice day.